Your long-haired best friend's back. Everyday item from TEMU. I don't know if you can see the bag. This video is not sponsored. I just went on the app and bought some things that I thought were useful and things I would use every day. Some things I wouldn't use every day. It's kind of a mix of everything. Alright, I bought 14 items and I spent $53.79. I ordered on April 26th. I noticed that they split my order into 2 different packages. Bigger one came on May 4th. This smaller one just came today, being May 6th. I do not think that was a lot of time to wait. Why I think they split my order into 2 different packages and shipped them at 2 different times. I ordered some brush on glue, and maybe they didn't want to put brush on glue on with the other items. Cutting them open. Let's open the little package first. Slicey it'll be. Alright, oh my goodness, look at this cute little box. I have always wanted one of these mini humidifiers, and this one on TEMU was $4.58. If you hear meowing, I have 3 of my cats in here. I have KJ, I have Zuo, and I have Baby. Baby's right next to me if you can see her tail. They're hanging out with me. I'm wearing this long skirt and she likes to lay on the side of it. Alright, let's get this puppy open. Already looks cute. I picked the pink cat one. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. The ears are like this nice rose gold, and it looks like it has a power button on the back. Comes with a USB cord. You don't get the little adapter thingy to the wall. Alright, next thing in the bag. The brush on glue that I bought. I love designing my own press-on nails, and my favorite glue to apply them is brush on glue. But I noticed that it's really expensive at Walmart. Well, not really. It's like $2.99 or $3.99. And Dollar Tree for $1.25 doesn't have it anymore. So I went on TEMU and I paid $1.34 for it. It's really heavy. Just looks like normal brush on glue. Oh, they're really stuffed in here. I got 2 of them, but for just one, it's $3.78. I think that is a great price for these candles, because anything with flameless candles, you know, it's a little more expensive. Okay, I'm not super thrilled with the bottom mechanism here. It keeps trying to fall out the bottom. It takes 3 button batteries to operate, and the switch is on the bottom here. For the bottom being kind of wonky, they look kind of nice. You get 3 different sizes. I wanted to get 2 packs of these because we just redid a wall in our house, and we put up a crucifix, and I just wanted some nice flameless candles around Jesus. The bottom mechanoids, a little wonky. I didn't pay that much money for them, so I didn't really expect it to be something more advanced. So yeah. Alright, smaller package, empty. Let's move on to the bigger package. These, which are pet removal from laundry hair catchers. 78 cents. And you get 6 of them. I only paid 78 cents and you got 6 of them. I wonder if they work. Oh, they're a little bear. It's so cute. So you get blue and orange. Next item. Okay. Resurrection Scene Wooden Ornament. And I paid $10.98 for it. And it's wood. Or it's supposed to be wood. Okay, this. See? Then the cross goes behind it. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, it smells really good. I think that's cedar. From the picture on TEMU, it looks shiny, but this is not shiny. Very matte. I'd rather have the matte though. I don't want the shiny. So I'm actually glad that it's matte. I thought it would be nice with the candles, other than just the crucifix that we have on the wall. I wanted to put other religious decor, so I thought the resurrection would look good. Okay, next thing in the bag. So this is a pink sun hat, white brim, bucket hat, mesh, double layered foldable UV protection, fishing hat, breathable sun protection, pink. That's the color that I chose. And it was $4.18. And that is a great deal. It's in a little zip bag. Let's open it and put it on our face. Well, not on my face, my head. And see. Oh, it's got a little ponytail. Hole in the back to put your ponytail. Isn't that nice? This little drawstring here. Oh my goodness. It perfectly fits my head. They don't let you choose the size of hat. It's one size fits all. And it perfectly fits my head. I think this is going to give me some UV protection. This is cool. What do you guys think? That's really nice. Alright. Let me just fix my hair. Do you hear those birds? They're talking about us. What the? Oh, it's hot today. By the way, this is my water bottle. Moving on to the next item, which is this, hold on, 3-in-1 soil pH meter sensor tester for water, sunlight, pH balance. And I only paid $3.48 for this. let's get it open. Ah. No batteries needed, indoor and outdoor use. Pretty sure this is gonna work because the reviews on Amazon for this exact item were good. We plant a garden every single year and I've never had one. There's a button on it and it's set to moist, must be moisture. And then if you move it to the right, it's for sunlight. And if you move it to the right one more time, for the pH. So, next item in the bag, which is, I've always wanted this. It's one of those hair curly thingies with like a noodle. Heatless curling hair headband. I picked the color pink and it was $1.98. I don't know if you could tell, but I love this color pink that it is. It's such a nice shade. Let's get it open. Oh, they give you little directions here. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube use this method and I've always wanted to try it out. And for $1.98, that's really affordable. Two adorable pink scrunchies and a white clip. That's really snappy. Here's what it looks like. Whoop, whoop. I can't wait to try this out. I don't really like to use heat to curl my hair. So if there's any heatless ways to curl my hair, I'm like, what? Well, let me try it out. If you hear those roosters out there, the chickens are right outside. Next item. I paid $2.08 for 120 clear, fake, full coverage, artificial nails. The kind I picked is Stiletto. It's one of my favorite nail shapes to wear. Ooh, I like the little case they come in. They definitely have a plastic smell when you open them, but that will probably fade. I like how these look. I also like how it's more matte towards where you apply to your nail plate towards the cuticle. That's going to make them last longer. Can't wait to test them out. Alright, moving on to the next item in here. Okay. Oh yes, the makeup brushes, the pink ones that I ordered. Let's see how much they were. They were $3.19. They say that they're glittery handle, rose gold swirl. So, let's get them open. Oh. Ooh, they're really soft. Let me count them, see if you really do get 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, looks very nice. You get a fan brush. I don't know if you could tell, but the color is just so mean. Oh, alright. I got another set of makeup brushes. Let me see how much they were. Okay, this was a 7-piece set for 89 cents. 89 cents, that's such a great deal. Alright, you get this bigger brush. You get a little swirled brush. Foam applicator brush. Next item. Oh yes, the glasses that I chose. Now, these are called, hold on, Blue Light Blocking Glasses Clear. I picked the clear ones, but the color, they call it white, but these are definitely clear, so I don't know what the description is in there. And they are clear. Ooh. How do I look, Ascenders? They're very big rimmed, but they fit me nicely on the ears. Let's see. And they don't fall off my face. I like them. I think they're cool. And these, I only paid $1.88 for. Oh my goodness, that is such a great price. I am feeling good about these. I'll have to use them for a while and see if my eyes get strained. We've looked at 13 items, about 14, so there should be one more in here. And I can clearly see it because it's very big and it takes up a lot of space in this bag. And they just shoved it in this bag. But let's see what it looks like. I know what it is. It's a cup. It is the Fresh Cartoon Cat Mug. I got the color pink. It comes with a lid and a spoon. I paid $7.58. And I'm already loving how they packaged it. Look, they put it in foam. All right. Here we go. You see it? Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's got a white cat on it, yarn ball, and it says, good time, we're having a great time. It's got a little fish on the handle. It is so cute. Oh, here's the top to it. It has a little white cat on top. And you just put, I have wanted a king cat mug to drink my coffee in forever. The reason why I just haven't got one is because I wanted one that came with a spoon, and I wanted one that came with a lid so I can cover my coffee. Oh my goodness. Kind of expensive. They're like maybe $11.99 to $13.99, at least the ones that I've seen. And I really didn't want to pay that much for a cup. But TEMU literally had this for $7.58. Alright, that was all 14 items. As you can see, I bought a little of everything today, and I am very satisfied with the things that I bought. They were very affordable, except for the bottom of those candles. I find it a little wonky, but they still turn on and they still work, and they were affordable. So I can say that I was happy with everything. On this channel, I make helpful tutorials regarding nails and nail care, but I also upload fun videos like this haul or a vlog maybe there, and we just have a good time at this channel, so please consider subscribing. If you want to watch another TEMU review video, you can click right here. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams will send to the highest peak. Bye! Love ya. Meow. Get it? Meow. Meow.